So water is a primary concern on our coffee plantation. In Mareeba we have 300 sunny days, so it's a long dry season that we have up here. So without water, the coffee trees will obviously die. But we also need that dry period so we can stress the trees and create flowers. So that's why Mareeba is the ideal climate for the actual coffee trees itself. So we get to control it with the water, and with the water, obviously you have water consumption. Now that isn't very expensive for the water itself. The main consideration is the power pumping the water out of the creek over the coffee trees. In a traditional setup, so if you can imagine a pump running at 45 kilowatts for 12 hours a day, you're talking in the $40,000–$50,000 a year plus, just for 85,000 coffee trees. So you can imagine that's a huge impact on a small business. So if we're talking about 300 sunny days a year, we're also talking, okay, let's look at solar power. So that's back in 2011 we first got into it. So we put in 85 kilowatts of solar power in 2011 and it paid for itself in no time at all. So with that consideration, we decided that we wanted a bit of an upgrade. So we're doubling that capacity to about 160 kilowatts of solar power.